The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla.
Two gone with one. One today 16. Each one of them gone with two team. One case.
I wonder if I prepare them, I prepare for the Easter holidays. I wonder if those persons really and truly stole those cheese. Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I am here again. Now, I just presented to you a video that is circulating on social media where it is said that females got caught on camera stealing cheese. Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where this video has been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this video has been recorded. But however, this video has been talked about on social media, you see? And you can let me know what to think about that video. You see me? I'm not going to say much about that video. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show what happened when police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago was arresting a person who is said to be a vendor. You see me? Yeah, some places on social media it is said that the video shows confrontations between police officers and persons somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, many things have been said about this video on social media, and I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what to think about this video as well. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hola, what's you doing, mate? Oh, you're fighting with the girl, you're fighting with me. Go bend then, watch. Go bend then, go bend then. The police too wicked, boy. So they dealing with the men on them. Watch, all the men go on the ground where they spend good money for. Relax yourself, I'm not going to Can you kill bust out now, you still tell them to tell me ain't going nowhere? You'll bust out now, you. How do you do it now? How do you do it now? Why would I pay the best than she and can do that? I'm sure about that. Hey, don't go and tell me that, you can't do that. You can't tell me that, you can't be telling me that. Go so I go stand up over here on the court. I go stand up over here on the court. I go stand up right here on the court. And let Kia beat the man. And let Kia beat the man. I go stand up right here on the court. And let Kia beat the man. Drive by. Big ones we have. We beat any man in the van for the beat the man. We beat any man for. Hey, walk, right, alright. I have no space, right, and the government over there. And I'm not interrupting all you. Alright, I record them my rights. They're my rights. And when they beat all the advantage of us. Move from me. Move away. Move. I no police way. I know the police way. I know the police way. I record them my rights. They're my rights. I know no police way we feel. I know no police way. I know in them way. And now we calling them and I'm glad I got it on tape too. I'm not all the way. I'm not all the way. I'm not all the way. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I'm not all the way. I'm not all the way. But kill us yourself. Nice. Don't like. Don't like. Don't like. Watch the tiny man and funny man all kind of thing. First the wicked. Watch them. Oh. Where your phone? I get what go with your phone you talking about and jargon? Lauren down the road. Lauren who the borrow the fleet down the road and lock skilla. All of them can from that trolley. All of them are live from that. I'm not sure black skilla around. Yeah. Yeah? And no belly. I like that. What's them?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there's not much I can say about some of the things that have been shown in that video, you see me? Because on a real, I don't have any confirmed information as to what caused some of the things that have been shown in that video to happen. You understand? No, I don't have any confirmed information about the incident or incidents, you see me? But anyways, now you can let me know what you think, and big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Alright, so now I got the understanding that a pastor who goes by the name of Peter Chambers had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica because of some things that he said in a video that had been posted on social media. It is said that members of the security forces raided his house or his home, that is at the place that is known as Orange Hill in Brownstown, St. Anne, Jamaica, on the 24th of March, the year 2021. And it is said that the pastor had been taken into custody. It is said that the police seized over $4,000 and over £2,000 money. It is said that Peter Chambers said some things in a video about Andrew Holness and other persons that are considered to be not good. You see? To my understanding, I saw more than one videos that shows when Peter Chambers talk about Andrew Holness and other persons. You see me? Now, for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, I'm going to present to you a piece of one of those videos that I saw that shows when Peter Chambers talk about Andrew Holness and other persons. You see me? But however, I want you to please bear in mind that this video might not be the video that he had been arrested for, or the things that he had said that got him arrested. You see me? This video might not be the video. However, I'm just presenting the video to you so that you can get an understanding as to what I'm talking about and to hear some of the things that he said in one of those videos that are circulating on social media that I'm talking about. Alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I realize that there are some JLP supporters who are reporting my videos and reporting to get rid of me off Facebook. But I want to let some of you know that, listen, if you know who you're dealing with, you better leave Peter Chambers alone. I was just in a heated argument with one in Brownstone in the gas station, a Rasta boy. When I made the statement that, listen, that man have it dead, me no care when nobody wants to say, him have to go down. Listen, this man of God, the PM have to go down. He has to go down. This man is attacking the church, opposing the church, and I don't care when nobody wants to say, because I'm not afraid of none of uno. Because if you're dopey, me a dopey conqueror. If you're a ghost, me a ghostbuster. God bless you, Senior Jones. I'm not afraid of any of you. And me just have to tell the Rasta boy, a KDC in a Brownstone, say run up in a me mantle. I talk about how the pastor if you go you can't preach to me. Listen, I can't preach to you. Listen, that man is touching the church. And these people, they worship this little man. Well, just his dust. And this man locked down the church. Locked down the church and have the church like we're prison.
I hear mega left enough viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, you can let me know what to think about the videos that I presented to you. And you can also let me know what to think about some things that I said to you in this video. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.